Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just posting out some comments and some answers, and you are generated a good amount of money while while you are sleeping, while you are doing your other jobs and other works. Okay, so just follow the simple technique how you can earn money online. And I just wanna tell you guys, just please subscribe to my channel and just hit the like button so that you can get a best content from me and best tips and tricks how you can earn money online fast, add from work from home job and part-time job, and you can earn passive income by just sitting at home. Okay, so guys, I just want to tell you a website where you can earn money by just writing out some answers, some simple answers and some comments, you can say that, and you are getting paid for whatever product you are posting on this thing. Just you might ask me a question, sir, that whether it is an affiliate marketing thing or not. Yes, it is an affiliate marketing program that I want to tell you the whole step from where the people are earning a good amount of hundreds and thousands of dollars by just following this simple technique. You can yourself do this affiliate marketing program on yourself. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. Just watch this video till the end and I show you step by step how you can yourself do and make $100K in your bank account. Not immediately, but after some time, after some passage of a week or so, you are getting paid a good amount of money. So for that, I just need to tell you that this is one website, guys, and hundreds of websites I'll give you for this. Okay, you just subscribe to my channel. So for this website, in this video I'm just focusing on this answers.com, and don't worry guys, each and every website link is in my description box. You can go and just visit these websites. Okay, you do not have to worry about anything. So what I just need to tell you that I just show you some traffic on this website. Okay, you can see guys, there are 6.36 million people who are visited every single day on this website. Okay, you can see guys, there are live consensus and it's a good amount of, you can see guys daily how they are getting paid. Okay, 6.6, okay, 8.9. okay, you can see guys every day this amount of people are visiting on their website, and there is a great opportunity that you can earn money online by just posting out answers. So how can I do it? I just tell you one niche guys, one niche, that is health products. Okay, I just focus on one product and you better know that how many products you can do it. You can do it with technology, you can do it with science, literature, business related products. I just tell you one product and you yourself can do multiple things with those products. Okay, just simple steps to make money. Okay, so guys, I just wanna focus on this website. Okay, just click on this health button. Okay, just click on this health button and you are redirected to the certain questions that you need to answer. Guys, you can see the traffic on one question guys. What are the duties of Health Perfect? You can see guys the amount of traffic on these, how easy way to lose lower stomach fat. Just one question and this much amount of traffic, 1.23K people, and you are better know guys, and you know what guys, the people who are answering here are less. Okay, so I just show you just cut copy paste work you need to do. So this is our first question that I want to perform. I just answer one single question and just post one product on this, and you will do yourself about other products. Okay guys, so I just come up in this ClickBank site. Guys, if you don't know anything about ClickBank, how to log in and how to promote, why you are promoting the products on this ClickBank, I just make a separate video for you guys. Just write down in my comment section that, sir, please make video on how to make account on ClickBank and what is the process to become an affiliate marketer on this ClickBank site. Okay, I just made a video for you guys. Okay, so why I need to choose this ClickBank, guys? First of all around the world, okay, ClickBank offers you a best percentage of the profit that product is earning. Guys, 75% of the profit ClickBank offers to you. That is why there is a reason why I have chosen ClickBank instead of other affiliate websites for promoting the products. Very important for you to understand this, guys. If you want to earn money, then you need to select some of the most important sites that are earning good amount of money. Okay, then you are having a belief system that I can also earn. Okay, lots of subscribers are having this problem, sir, I can't earn money because the affiliate program is small. Okay, the people which are buying that product and whatever I get is small amount. Okay, I just get money little. So for you guys, best affiliate marketing website that will offer 75% of the profit with the affiliates. Okay, that is why there is a need why I chosen ClickBank. Okay, if you are having any problem, guys, just write down in comment section and I guarantee you I just make a video on your problems. That's my promise. Okay, so guys, what I need to do, you can see, guys, there are lots and lots of products, whether it is computer or internet, okay, education, games, you can see, guys, games, mobile, languages, lots and lots of sports, travel, lots and lots of products. Okay, it is having. So I just click on this health and fitness product, and you can see, guys, lose weight. That question becomes of loss weight. Okay, loss weight question. So just click on this loss weight, and you can see, guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of products that you can promote. Okay, how to do the promotion, I'll tell you. Just click on this promote button, and guys, if you click on this generate hop links, you are getting a link that you can promote. Okay, a link that you can promote, that you can buy, and that link you just need to do shortening of that link. Why I need to, let us suppose, guys, this is my affiliate link. Okay, you can see that, guys, this is my affiliate link. So I just control C with this website. I just again show you, just refresh it. I just show you step by step how it actually works. So I just click on this control V. Okay, or let us suppose this is my link. Okay, I just click on this shortening link, and you can see, guys, a small shortening link is there. Okay, you do not need to do that big kind of links, so that guys, people are actually doing clicks on small links, prefer to do clicks on small links. That is why there is a need, and the website for shortening link is bit.ly. Okay, I just gave these websites link on my description box. You do not need to worry, just copy this, and I just show you where you need to post. Okay guys, you do not need to post your links directly on this website. There is a simple technique. If you are posting your promotion links, okay, affiliate links on this website directly, then you are getting banned. Lots of problems with my customers, lots of problems with my audience is this, sir, my account is banned, what I can do. Don't worry, guys, I just show you step by step what techniques you need to do. Okay, otherwise this website will block your link. Okay, and you are unable to earn money. Okay, you just need to find out some answers, guys. Okay, and that you do not need to know any answer. Okay, just click on this answer button. Okay, for first of all, I just show you that just copy paste this question. Okay, just copy this question and visit Quora website and or google.com. Okay, wherever you find out the answer. Okay, you can see how to get rid of lower stomach fat. Okay, I just want that answer, guys. So just click on this question and you can see guys, you can see 10 best ways to lose the belly fat. Okay, just control C these 10 steps. Okay, just control C. Okay, just control C and just post it on this answer. Okay guys, okay, just simple steps. Okay, just simple steps that you need to do. Just you have control, cut, copy, paste the answer. Okay, now I'll show you where you need to do the best technique that you can ever get. Okay, from any. Okay, I just tell you a script that you need to type. I just made for you guys. Okay, this is a script that I want to give you guys. Okay guys, so this is a script guys that I have given to you. So what you need to do right now guys, you just need to type this answer. Okay, so if your niche is your lose belly fat, okay, you can see that what I have typed. If you want the best way to lose weight, email me and I'll send you this free info that works for hundreds of people trying to lose weight at whatever your Gmail ID. And this is a technique guys, don't use dot, otherwise this website will know that you are guys, you are using a link. Okay, don't dare to use this dot button. Okay, this dot. Okay, this dot. Okay, in the bracket you can use add a dot instead of dot. Okay, just weightloss@gmail.com, your professional website where you are promoting the link. Okay, just come up in this website and I just want to tell you guys, just post this answer for a particular niche. This is only for lower stomach fat. Okay, you can use different types of niche. Okay, you can use skin tone, best ways to bright your skin tone. There are many examples. Okay, and I'll send you a free link. You can do one thing guys, you just best ways, just the keyword that you need to put in this. Okay, lose lower stomach fat. To use lower stomach fat, you can put to bright your skin. Okay, to get rid of pimples, and just send the products to the recipient. Now this is not the end guys. Okay, before doing anything, I just want to tell you one thing as well. Whatever is your professional email ID, let us suppose this is my professional email ID. Now click on this setting button. You can see guys, this setting button. Okay, just click on the setting button and see all settings. Just click on this thing and just come down, and you can see guys, just click on vacation responder on. Okay, just click on this. Okay, and just type thank you for email me. Okay, as promise, I am giving you the products list to lose fat. Okay, and the links are those links that I have shortened. Guys, where are my shortened links? Just copy this and just post it. Okay, this is one product guys. Okay, so just click on this save changes guys. Okay, just click on save changes, and whomever guys, whomever are see your answer is try to contact you. Okay, just by looking is this free info. Okay guys, and you are just listing down the products, and you can see guys, there are millions of people who want to lose their belly fat, and they are actually gonna send you products. So you do not need to what I have shown you guys, what I have shown you, I just again wanna show you. You do not have to type individually. You did it already. and whenever they are mailing you, they are just get the link instantly, okay, and they are going to buy that product for you, losing the belly fat, and you are getting 75% of the commission. Let us suppose guys, there are I just calculated, okay, let us suppose guys, one product is of how much? Let me just see the ClickBank, okay guys, $42, okay, let's see the 75% of it, okay guys, $42 product it is, okay, and 75% is 0.75, okay, just see, $31 from one product guys. Let us suppose from 1 million people, let us suppose only 100 people are try to get my product one day commission, okay, you can see guys, $3,150 from one product, and you are actually doing nothing, you just autopilot your income. Just mailing is also guys, you do not have to mail them manually, autopilot, it is autopilot, and you are getting from one product guys, okay, if you are listing, okay, 20 products, you are getting $63,000 in your pocket, but just by doing nothing, just by posting some answers, and you are doing best in that. I just know this thing, okay guys, just type down some answers, some questions, and use this technique guys, use this technique. It actually make a lot of sense, because guys, the people who are dedicated to lose their stomach fat, okay, they are gonna mail you for that, okay, just type down your email ID guys, and just follow this technique guys, and people are actually making $100K per month by just following these kind of tips. If you like this tip guys, just I wanna tell you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and just hit the like button, so that guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content, so that you can also earn money online and you can passivate your income guys, so that you do not have to do a hard work but the smart work, okay guys. And if you want to, if you are having any problem guys, I just tell you that just write down in the comment section, and I'll able to give you some strategies for investing things, okay. If you want some investment strategies, just write down in the comment section if you want investment strategies, and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for